International logistics and shipping is very important for international trade. We are connecting people and improving lives. We are the enabler to ship goods from A to B, and it's creating wealth and prosperity to the world. We are active in more than 200 countries and territories. We use about 2,400 flights a day. We have up to 300 dedicated aircraft that fly for us. And we also have more than 34,000 courier vehicles all over the world that are delivering and picking up the packages. Our group has realized that if we want to be in logistics in future, we need to reduce our carbon footprint.
In our decarbonization roadmap, sustainable aviation fuels actually play the biggest role. That is simply because aviation is the biggest lever and the second biggest is heavy duty trucking. So in both, drop-in fuels play a very important role. In the DHL Group, 2/3 of our footprint stems actually from aviation. First question was, is there SAF available? And with Neste you can demonstrate that it is. And the second aspect is we do have global operations and we do need a partner that can help us to deliver SAF globally. And therefore we entered into a partnership very early on, and that was one of the first strategic suppliers that we had for our sustainable aviation fuel.
I believe there's a really great natural fit between the companies. We both share the ambition and passion to help our customers reduce their greenhouse gas emissions along their value chain.
It's important in aviation that supply and all the operations that go behind it work well. It's important in the new field that the certifications work and that the product meets all the quality criteria that is so important in aviation, and Neste is fulfilling these requirements.
Well, the partnership leverages our shared commitment to lower climate impact in logistics. We see ourselves as an enabler. We provide drop-in renewable fuels that are fully compatible with current infrastructures.
The beauty on the solution of SAF is that we can drop it into the wing and use it. So up to 50% can be used as is with the existing aircraft, with the existing fuel bowsers, and also the infrastructure that we have at the moment. I don't see any reason not to use it. I'm very proud to say today that DHL is actively using any method to reduce the carbon footprint. Only last year, 3.6% of all fuel we used was already sustainable aviation fuel. I'm very aware that we are front-running in the industry, and I can only encourage my colleagues to do exactly the same.
Advice to others when you think about decarbonization. First, I realized more is possible than you think of in the first place. So we started 3 years ago, and today there are more options open than we actually thought 3 years ago. Don't underestimate.
To all our other logistics providers that are still hesitating to consider carbon emission and what it's doing to the planet, it's happening anyway. We need to ask ourselves, what do we want to answer to our children when the solution was there and we didn't use it? I can only encourage all of us, take a conscious decision, use it.